Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and this is my 60-second DIY. As you can see, we are inching towards the spring and Easter season, and I've got some really cute things for you today. What will it be? Well, I am so excited to tell you that everything is from Dollar Tree. Oh yes. Well, there's maybe one or two things it's not from Dollar Tree, but almost everything is from Dollar Tree. I really quickly want to say thank you so much for the comments of my last video with my struggles with stencils, and I will talk about that in my next video on Saturday. But you guys are the best. I just appreciate all of your comments. And today I'm doing 4 60 seconds DIYs, so I am so excited to get started. So why don't we do that? Here we go. All right, for this first one, I'm using these little pom-poms from Dollar Tree and the wire jute cord from Dollar Tree and this plastic lovely egg garland. I love it. Where's it from? Dollar Tree. You need a clock. There it is. Here we go. All right, this is so easy. It was tied up. All I had to do was untie it. And then I'm going to make a couple of little knots in there to keep it secure. And what I'm going to do is hot glue a little pom-pom at the end. That's the bunny tail. And then we're going to make some little ears using the wire jute rope. And you can find this over by the wreaths, I think, and by the flowers. And I'm just kind of creating 2 little bunny ears, and I snapped that off, got it in there. I was thinking about tucking it down into the egg, but I really didn't need to, but I left the little wire or the little string on there. So I'm gonna attach it with some hot glue and then wrap it around, and it really is secure. So I have the ears and the tail. How cute is that? And how easy is this? Everything from Dollar Tree. I made it. So I guess you would call this a little rabbit kind of garland. I just thought it was so whimsical and fun. You have the ears, you have the tail, and you have these beautiful eggs. Can you believe they came from Dollar Tree? Just speckled and everything was ready. I love how this turned out. All right, in our next 60-second DIY, I'm starting out with these carrots from Dollar Tree. These new little teeny tiny cutouts. There's 14 in each little package. I've got the bunny and the carrot and my favorite farmhouse ribbon from Dollar Tree. And then I love these wall hangings. You seriously don't need to do too much to them. I've got my clock going, so let's get started. So I didn't like the little bunny on there. I thought we could use the little cutout. So I took my sandpaper block and just sort of scrubbed them off. They came off so easy. And then I just kind of very gently went over it to give it sort of a uniform look. And yeah, it came off so easy. So then I just hot glued the little bunnies on there. I love that they are neutral, didn't even have to paint them. And then I add the carrots at the bottom. And with the clock ticking, I've got about 18 seconds left. I just think it turned out so great. And then my last little piece, ooh, my hands got so dirty from sandpapering that. I just add the little bow right on top, and ta-da! I turned a $1.25 piece into a very high-end piece. I love those little new cutouts now. They are so cute. So what do you think? Super easy, right? And perfect for a 60-second DIY. And my next project, I am starting out with this little sheet from Dollar Tree, and I really quick wanted to tell you, I got those giant Ziplocs at Dollar Tree. The big ones are over by the laundry, and the other one is by the regular Ziplocs. And I'm starting out with some more carrots, Now those little clothespins came from Hobby Lobby. Ooh, that was the one thing. And I have this little frame and what else? Oh yeah, those little buffalo check garland bunnies. So I just cut this paper down to size because I didn't like that black background. So we're just going to peel, and I love that this is peel off. Isn't that great? So I just peeled it off and put it right on the backing of this frame. And I took off the other little smaller not paper clips, clothespins. And I just went carrot, bunny, carrot, bunny, carrot. And hung those on there. And then I thought one more little touch are these burlap rose flowers that you can find at Dollar Tree over by the wreaths and the glassware and the flowers and stuff. But look at that. How cute. I was going to put a bow, but I just didn't think it needed it. Those little neutral rose flowers are perfect. So I love how this turned out. Oh, and I tacked down the carrots and the bunnies just so they wouldn't move around. And my last little DIY today is so kooky. I had these I bought a while back. They're those little mini frames from Dollar Tree. And I just opened them up, pulled out everything, and I left the glass in, but I just tacked it down with some hot glue and got rid of the back and all the paper and the clips and things. And so I have these 4 pieces. And so I'm kind of I was thinking I was going to make a lantern, which I still could. I could put a little light in it. I just thought it was so cute. You know how they make the lanterns with the big frames. I'm like, I'm going to make a mini lantern. So I needed a little piece of wood down there for the bottom, and I just cut one of the little squares I had down to size and hot glued it on the bottom. And then I grabbed some reindeer moss, some of those little bunny carrots, and shoved them on the side. How cute! I get so excited. And then I shoved in some raffia. How cute! And then some little carrots on the top. 9 seconds, 8 seconds. And I tell you, it is so cute. Look, it's like got a little peephole in there, like you can look and see the little bunnies. Oh, I love it. And see how cute it is? I didn't have to paint the frames. And look, there's the little bunny peeking through. I love it. You could take out the carrots and put a little, candle in there. But I love how simple this was to make. What do you think? So here they are all put together. I just love my 60-second DIYs. I know that most of the time they're not going to take exactly 60 seconds, but I like to bring it to you in 60 seconds just to show you how quick you can make these things from Dollar Tree. Just kind of jazz up something that's already made and just have a lot of fun and get creative. Look at that little mini lantern. He's so cute. So I appreciate everybody watching today. Tuesdays are my 60-second DIY. Saturdays are my full DIY episodes, and I can't wait till this Saturday. I'm going to do a little bit more of the stencils because I appreciate all your input. I'm going to share some more of those tips and tricks. I absolutely loved today, and I love being with you all. So thanks for joining me on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.